Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages or in your browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and now basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, which should be on this panel. So let's tap, and here let's tap on the languages. As you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's change it. Let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so impressive, it's so wide. So I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. And I'm looking for the Urdu language, as this language is a graphical one. And thanks to this, you will be able to see the difference. So basically, after finding the language, just tap on it. So let me pick Urdu. And sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So I will pick the first option. Here we've got the keyboard types. In my case, in Urdu language, right now we've got 3 different keyboard types from which we can choose. Of course, you can apply all of them or only one. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick from 2, 3, 4, or even 5 different keyboards. Or it will be just one option. Of course, it depends, as I said. So I will pick this one. Let me tap on it. Make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, and untick the option you don't want to use. Now let's simply tap on Done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically, here we've got 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. And right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language because it plays a role of a language key. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one, as you can see. Now let's tap on the keyboard, not keyboard, but the language key again, and here we've got the English. So basically, this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it. So just get back to the settings here, tap on the languages, and here from this tab, all we have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, right now we are able to mark the languages. So let me pick Urdu because I want to remove it. As you can see, you can also reorder the languages. It's up to you, of course. So after marking the language you'd like to delete, tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got only English left, so it's just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all, the spacebar is empty, and secondly, we do not have this language key, which simply means that we can only type in English, in my case, of course. So basically, that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.